guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So I know a lot of you have been asking me if I'll do some makeup tutorials again. I'm not currently working on a ship, which is where I did film all of my makeup tutorials, but I am actually working today, which required me to put on some makeup. So I did actually just film a quick time lapse of me doing this look. I did actually film it on my iPhone, so I'm really hoping it's like decent quality. But yeah, I didn't really mention like any of the products that I actually used in it. Yeah, if you did want to know any specific products, let me know in the comments and I shall put them in. But yeah, I'm just gonna attach this time lapse now and hope you enjoy it. essentially this is my finished look. I am, as I said, doing something for work, but I think I'd probably wear this look out just for like casual drinks. I wouldn't say it's necessarily like an everyday look, but it's definitely one step down from like show makeup. So yeah, I'd say this is kind of like just a going out look that you can do. It's a red smoky eye, and yeah, just pop some lashes on, Bob's your uncle basically, and you're good to go. But yeah, thank you for watching this short video. I just wanted to put a quick one in. I do actually have another show makeup tutorial that I need to really edit, but I'll probably try and get that out in the next couple of weeks, maybe on a Wednesday, and I think it's a multicolour look, which is actually I think one of my favourites that I did last contract. So yeah, I'll try and get that one out. But for today, I really hope that you enjoyed this one, and yeah, as I said, let me know if you want to know any of the products down below. I've been really rubbish today, I haven't really said anything that I used, but I just thought I'd give you a bit of inspo for a different kind of look whilst I had the chance to do my makeup again. So thank you again for watching this video. I hope you all have a lovely day or night depending on what you're doing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.